Alright guys, I want to show you something that I think you'll find really interesting. This is what happens when you don't change your oil. Nummy. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. Alright, on this episode, we're going to put the Blazer on hold for a little bit, and we're going to take a look at this Jeep. It's a 1962 M170 ambulance, so I hope you enjoy it. Look at that oil filter, isn't that nice? I pulled this filter out of a car that came in. The complaint on it was that when she went around corners, her oil light came on. So we drained what was left out of it, and we got less than a quart of oil out of it. And this is what everything looked like inside the engine. I'm gonna get a stick here. Look at that. That looks awesome, doesn't it? So the takeaway from this is change your oil. That looks delicious, doesn't it? I'm sure what little oil was left in there didn't even go through this filter. This thing weighs about 2 pounds. All right, guys, I thought I'd show you another kind of cool vehicle that came in here and that we're working on. This is a 1962 military Jeep. The owner of this is a medic, and so that's why he's got it all done up like an ambulance or you know, a medic type vehicle in the military. This thing's pretty cool. It's fun to drive. Although you probably don't want to take it on a really big long trip. Not the most comfortable vehicle on earth. Definitely a lot of stuff to look at on here. find out a little more information about this Jeep from the owner. And this Jeep was actually an ambulance in the Vietnam War. You know, so this is a totally legit ambulance Jeep from that time frame. So that's some pretty cool history about it. I'm hopefully can find out a little bit more. I'm going to be talking to the owner again next week, and you know, hopefully I can get a lot more details on it. You know, he's excited to talk about this. He absolutely loves this Jeep, and with him being a medic, you know, this is right up his alley. It's an awesome vehicle for him. So hopefully we can learn a little bit more about it. Take this Jeep for a little spin. Now actually we're just gonna go ahead and pull it into the shop for the weekend. Oh. Oops, that's reverse. We made it. All right, guys, we're gonna start a little side project here. We're going to pull the engine out of this Jeep. It's making a little bit of noise, so it's gonna go back to the engine builder and have that checked out. It was actually rebuilt just a couple 100 miles ago, and there's something going on with it, so we're gonna pull it out.
It's in here.
What I do on a lot of this stuff is I stick a piece of tape on it. You can see here I wrote A and there I wrote A, so I know those two to go together. I'll use various letters or numbers or whatever the case may be. So on an engine like this, you know, that thing could go anywhere. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for this episode of Up and Running. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time and we'll keep working on something. Thanks for watching. Getting old, barely get out of this thing.